Hello, hi, 안녕하세요, 여러분. 파티마입니다. Today, I'm going to talk about my favorite. But first, did you know the meaning of choye? It is based in Korean slang words means most loved or favorite. This term is commonly used in referring to your most loved, like for example, your favorite idol, favorite food, favorite sports, and so on and so forth. When it comes to K-pop fans like me, it is mostly referred as a term bias to me. Like I'm going to say who is your bias in 17. That means who is your most favorite among them. Like who captured your heart the most of them, something like that. Or whatsoever. But for me, let's go back to our main topic. I'm going to show and share my favorite, since I already discussed the meaning of choy. Well, it's none other than the Itaewon Class. You heard that. That's my favorite. I've been an avid fan of that drama since pandemic. It was really amazing for me, regardless of the cast. I mean, Park Seo-joon, he nailed that. He totally nailed the lines, the actions, the scenes, everything. I don't care what and who will be the cast that time. I'm just, really up with the story because it must happen in reality and it's commonly natural. And Kim Dami, what's the that's the first time I was amazed by her acting. And of course, Alan Bo Yoon, I also met him personally during his Philippine fan meet in the Philippines last year. He was so generous and so down-to-earth person. Oh, by the way, my apology for oversharing, but the reasons why I really loved that series was because of unique and empowering storylines. Itaewon Class isn't not only focused in romantic scenes nor action scenes, but it tackles about how it focuses on revenge and resilience, telling the story of Park Seok-woo, played by Park Seo-joon, a man who overcomes injustice, a man who kept chasing his dreams. That's totally about power inspiring. Not just that, but it showcases a diverse cast really seen in K-dramas, such as transgender chef Ma Yun-mi, a Black Korean character, Tony Kim. The drama also dives into social inequality, discrimination, class divide, and personal redemption. People related to the real world struggles and rooted for characters standing up against corrupt system. It's actually very common nowadays. Not gonna lie for that. Lastly, before I end this topic, the iconic OST of Start Over by Gaho. That soundtrack was unforgettable songs. Like, it became anthems of perseverance and are still widely played. It gave me chills every time I heard that song. In short, Itaewon Class wasn't just a drama for me. It was a bold statement. It resonated because it felt real, modern, and emotionally powerful. It was all about your dreams, your passions. So if you have that, don't give up. I mean, keep chasing it. Never stop chasing your dreams. To keep chasing your dreams means to persistently pursue what matters most to you, even when it's hard, and even when progress feels invisible. It's about holding on to your vision of better future and refusing to let go. 여러분, 감사합니다. How about you? What is your favorite? Can you tell me what is your favorite? And don't forget to subscribe and comment your answer. 안녕하세요. 안녕.